Two Men in a Boat, Season 3, Episode 1. Clearly haven't learned our lesson yet as we're having battery problems. Captain Proctor navigating us across Ellen Lake, that is. Started out today at random. Third time on random this year. Hooked into about a 35 inch muskie. And a couple bass. Proctor, a couple bass. Did miss one, however. Got caught on the dock. The garage. On a boathouse, correction. But all in all, not bad. First day out this year. Caught a few fish. Hands got sunburned. Wasn't too windy. Two Men in a Boat. Signing out.